Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Don1914. Finally back with another review, man. It's been a little hiatus. I've been on a little break, man. To be honest, there really hasn't been too many like Jordan releases lately, so we got a little bit of a break. But in the midst of all that, there's been a lot of Air Max releases, so I figured the next probably 5 videos I do is going to be all my Air Max pickups I've been doing since Jordan releases have been slow. So with that being said, we're going to hop right into the review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. All my OG subscribers, welcome back to the channel. So let's go ahead and unbox this pair. This is a pair that I've been waiting for a while now. The last pair that came out, I would say probably like, I don't know, maybe 2016, 17 or something like that. I wasn't really feeling the shape, and I think they fixed the shape on this year's model, and of course I had to have them. I hit this pair on Nike sneaker wrap. So here's the one thing I don't like. They keep giving us these regular plain boxes with these Air Maxes, man. Air Max 95s. I don't, you know, should be a special type of box for these, man. But let's go ahead and read the label. Nike Air Max 95 OG. Black, solar red, medium, ash, size 10. I always go with a size 10 in most of my Air Maxes, whether it be 95s, 90s. I normally go with a size 10. So that's the label. Flip lid. You do get a quality control green sticker right here. You see that? It's right there. One sheet of tissue paper. And then here are the kicks. Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, you know what? They do look kind of pink too, man. Damn, I thought they were more red this year, but man, they do got a pink hue to it. So inside your box, you will get a green sticker as well. So that's how your box should come. Enough for the box. Let's get into the kicks. And yeah, here they are. Solar Reds, man. Back, OG, Big Bubble. These are kind of fire. Let me take it in real quick. And damn, yeah, it is more pinkish, man, than it is red. That's one thing I was worried about. It is definitely, it does live up to the name Solar Red, but that red, like if you see on the bottom, you know what I mean? I don't know if the camera's picking up, it might look darker on the camera, but this part is darker, but you can see right here, it's kind of lighter. And yeah, I guess we can work with it, man. Dang, I was hoping it'd be a little bit darker, but it is what it is. So without further ado, let's get into the Air Max 95 OG Big Bubble Solar Red.
Rachmaninoff.
Alright, so let's jump right into the review because I'm eager to put these on and wear them for the rest of the day to match my little, you know, Fear of God fit. Fear of God hat. You know, my hat is more red than the red that's on here, but you know, it'll work. Head to toe ratio, it should work just fine. So let's do a real quick review. Outsole, got your red and black hits on the outsole. In the middle right here, you got your, is it gonna give you a PSIs? No, some of them do, some of them don't. It just gives you a black Nike Air in the middle of that Solar Red. Moving up to the midsole. Black midsole, you got your hits of Solar Reds and the air bubble here, here, here. So it's a clear air bubble with the Solar Red air unit inside the air bubbles. And one of my favorite parts is that outsole, how it comes up and it shows a little bit right here. It kind of peaks right here. I love how that looks. That's dope to me for some reason. And then on the upper, you know, you got your all different sets of grays. It goes from dark gray, charcoal gray to light gray, medium gray, all type of grays on your upper right there. Back of the heel, that swoosh. I love how that swoosh stands out. And I love how they outline the swoosh in black. So it made it pop just that much more. I love how that looks. I mean, look at that air bubble coming through right there. I mean, you know what? It is a lighter red, but these are fire, man. Now that I'm looking at them more and more, that's fire. So in the back, you got your air bubble in the back. You got your Nike Air right there in black. 3M going all the way up the back of the heel. kind of sock liner. Is this white or gray? Sock liner looks like a mixture between, it could be like a white or a gray. I'm not sure, but either way, that definitely is probably gonna get dirty over time if you don't take care of your shoes. It is what it is though. Let's go ahead and take these out before we go over the tongue and everything. So it does come with shoe paper. And then the inside, you got a Solar Red insole, and you should have Nike Air in black as well. Get you a closer look at that. Nice insole. On the back of the tongue, do get your sizing tag. All white rope laces going down the front. Got your 3M hit going down the front of the tongue right there. And then of course, your Solar Red hits on the lace eyelets or lace holders, if you will, going down the front of the shoe. You got Air Max right here in that black, white, and Solar Red and gray on the tongue. Fire. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. The toe box is a combination of that gray mesh right here on the outside and then coming through the middle and moving towards the outside edges of the toe cap. You got that like charcoal gray going around. And I think that right there is like a signature physique or a signature look to an Air Max 95 when you see them on feet. It's this part right here. It kind of reminds me of like an arrow. I call it the arrow on the toe box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Right shoe, same as the left shoe, nothing different. And yeah, this is a pretty clean pair, and they were super limited, so I'm glad I was able to hit for a pair for the personal. And yeah, these definitely will be staying in the collection, man. So just some subtle differences I wanted to mention versus the 2025 pair versus the 2018 pair. So as you can see, I'll just put it like this. You can see the color, like the red on the 2018 pair was darker. The swoosh, I noticed that they changed on a lot of them. Like see how it's outlined in that black? When the swoosh is just the swoosh by itself on the 2018 pair. The grays are pretty much like the same, I would say, but if you can see here, you see how wide this portion of the gray is there? You see how slim it is on that 2018 pair? That's one difference I noticed. It's thicker. That top layer is definitely thicker. And just the color's darker. You see the bubbles are lighter. And if I turn it over like this, you can really see the color difference. So see on the outsole, it's kind of dark. Even though this is warm, but you can still see it's darker. And also the 2018 pair had the PSIs and all this extra writing right here on the outsole versus the 2025 just has the regular Nike Air. So that's the subtle differences I noticed versus 2018 versus 2025. So let's get back into the review. Yeah, that's the review, man. So comment down below if you were able to cop. If so, how do you feel about this year's model? How you feeling about that Solar Red color on there? Is it okay? Do you mind it, or you wish it was a little bit darker, or you know, it is what it is? So comment down below, let us know. And like I said, I'm thirsty to get these on foot. Like I said, I took a little break. You know, the releases were slow, but I'm back now. My next 5 videos are probably gonna be all Air Maxes, a combination of Air Max 95, and I think I got another Air Max. I forget what the model's called, but we'll get into it. It's not a real popular model, but I think the shoe and the colorway is clean, and it'll be my first time having that silhouette, so I'm eager to try those on foot and bring that review to you. So Air Max Week, we're calling this Don's Air Max Week, Don Juan 914 Air Max Week. All week we're gonna be bringing you Air Maxes. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate all the support. We're gonna hop into this on foot, and until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one. I'm so white, this world they say I'm gone, gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, 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 done. I'm done one, done one. I'm so white, this world they say I'm gone, gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, 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 done.